If you are relocating your turn signals from the side of the fender to the rear of the fender behind the license plate bracket, then this is a great tip. You have to remove the reflector and the lamp assembly so you can run the wires through the threaded hole. So the best way we found to do this was to take a long skinny screwdriver, you insert it into the hole where the wires are coming through, gently push on that lamp assembly base and continue to nudge it forward until it dislodges. And you want to be careful not to damage the wire connections. Then you'll be able to remove the lamp assembly and the gasket and then rerun your wires through the threaded hole in the housing. And then this will get bolted on to the chrome bar that comes with the kit. For more information on relocating the rear turn signals, go to ridersinfo.net, how to, and tech tips. And I included a little bit more information and some of the tools that you're going to need to get this install done. And we also have tips on changing your motorcycle handlebars, chopping your windshield, how to pack for a road trip. Lots of great advice. So love to see you stop by ridersinfo.net, and thank you for watching the video.